Hello parents, welcome back to our channel Art of Parenting. Today we came up with very simple and important activity for all our kids. It is nothing but beading. There are many sizes of beads, but you have to take the beads which suits your child. For example, if your child is very young, probably 1 year, 1.5 years, it is always suggestible and better to take the bigger beads. And if your child is 4 years, 5 years, even they can manage with the small beads. But let's see what are the benefits of these beads. And honestly, these simple activities will help your child to strengthen many skills like fine motor skills. It also improves creativity in your child and it helps to improve their cognitive skills. And it also helps in social and communication skills. And the important thing is it helps to improve their bilateral coordination and it is one of the visual motor skill. So parents, let's do these beading activities which will help to keep occupied for some time, and this will also help them to play individually and makes them more creative as well. Now let's get started with the activity. To do this activity, all we need is just a thread and few beads. That's it. Let's start. So now let's get started with the activity. For this activity, I have given few beads as well as a thread to bead it. So my instruction for today is, Bhavi, you have to bead all the pink color beads. Okay? Yeah, let's start. And you also have to use timer for this activity to improve the speed of the child. Beading is also a very good activity to improve the fine motor skills. It also improves the sitting tolerance of a child. And once the child is done with the beading, let them count how many beads they have done. It will help them to improve their counting skills. That is nothing but math skills. This beading activity can be done once the child is 1.5 years old, but you're not supposed to give such small beads. Initially, you have to give the large ones for a baby. Once a child grows, it is okay even if you give the small beads. It also helps in developing attention in kids. Okay, Bhavi, how many beads have you done? Just count it once.
11.
11. So she has done 11 beads in almost 2.5 minutes. So next time you have to give 2 minutes as a target and she has to finish it in 2 minutes. So this is how we have to work. So keep watching, parents. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.